Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use dual Instagram apps in iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to use dual Instagram apps, so let's see how can you do that. So here you can see I have my original Instagram app and here my second Instagram app. So let's see how can you do that. Very first thing is that you just have to open your app store and you have to search for Instagram and you have to install the original Instagram app from here. Once you have installed, tap and open and your app will be open here. So now for the second app, you have to open your browser and you have to search for Instagram.com. Just search for this and here once the website has been opened, you just have to tap on this login or sign up. I'm going to tap on login here and then you have to log in with your account. So you have to log in with your Instagram account or you can easily add your app without logging in. Simply tap on these three dots here, then tap on share option and here just scroll up, look for add to home screen option, tap on that and then tap on add. Once you have done, you will get another Instagram app on your home screen. So in this way, you can easily use dual or more Instagram apps in your iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.